After all starving for hours, she's gonna feed me plain water? What the hell? The audacity. Oh, okay, there is powder coming. Okay, okay. I'll just take a bite to see if it is the good stuff. Like, just lower me down, please. Please put me down a bit more. Can I? Oh, shit. Oh my god. Powdered milk again? She thinks giving me powdered milk 24/7 is gonna help me grow. I know I'm a baby, but come on. Powdered milk all day, every day. Whatever, I'm hungry. Okay, I can just, if you're not gonna give me and you're gonna be a freaking slow, just, I'm an independent lady. I can do it. Don't stop holding me. Stop holding me. Like, if you hold me one more time, I'm gonna bite your hands off. Like, bite it. Okay? Even though my beaks are not fully grown, I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly. Shit, I can't fly. I'm a baby. Like, just give me my food, Golden Drumsy. I'm gonna do it alone, okay? If it does freaking slow, I better do it alone, okay? Just pour it down and give it to me. I'm screaming, lady. Concentrate. Get your things straight. Okay, your hands. I should teach you a lesson. Oh my god, what is she thinking? I'm starving here. Yeah, fill it up. Yeah, that's right. Fill it up. Yeah, yeah. Bring me my food. Oh my god, who keeps this shit here? Take it off. Yeah, please, lower it. Yeah, that is good, okay. This is what I'm talking about. Keep it coming. Yes, keep this good stuff coming. Oh my god, I can't believe she put me to starve all day, guys. And I'm full. Can you see my belly full of milk? Yeah, that's right. I have a full belly, now I can poop.